Hello, welcome to the channel. We're just about to go away. There's Mrs. Hey-Ho. Little Ho-Ho's in the car. Yeah, we're just packing the caravan up, ready to go away for a couple of days. So join us. Hello. Are you getting this stuff ready?
Yes.
Get it all packed up, ready to go. So what's the first thing you're going to put in the caravan?
A bag.
A bag? Well done. Beautiful sunny day and quite warm as well for a November. Moment of truth, now we're going to motor mover it back because I can't get that out, and let's hopefully the battery connection works fine. Go, that's fine. It's out now. You can get that out. Move into position, easy to hitch up then. Right, we're all hooked up now. The only problem is when I reverse the car back, the park pallet error that sometimes happens, so I'm going to have to rip all the fuses out of the car towing fuses and put them back in again to reset it. Pain in the butt. Let's see if I pull the fuses out, let's see if the park pallet clears. I've got no errors, so that's a good sign. So park pallet errors, and we've still got electricity to the caravan, that's good. So we can put that back away, get the mud off it and stick it back in the caravan for using. Oh, grasshopper, come along for the ride. Right, we've done all the lights, we've checked, we're hitched up, we're ready to go. That way.
We've all packed up and we're on our way. It just feels so great, you know, when you're finally on your journey, getting to your campsite. It feels great, doesn't it? And especially the sun is shining, which is even nicer. So there you go.
Just checking in. Right, we motor moved it onto the pitch. We're just getting it level at the moment, aren't we?
Yeah. Just put the little measurer.
Yeah, measurer. So side to side we're fine. We just need to, we're up at the front, I think that means, isn't it? We need to just level it front to back. Right, just half a turn down a little bit. If you don't break your fingernails. I think we're bang on there. I know it feels like belt and braces, but we always like to put chocks down on the tyres and the wheels when we stop. I don't know why, but we always do. Almost all done. And we're all set up now. It's quite a pleasant evening. I think the idea of this weekend is just to use the caravan a bit and chill out and relax. It's a nice tree. Hello?
Hi.
You're doing some work?
Yeah, I'm ranking all the Disneyland rides and...
Write down all the rides that are at Disneyland and work out which ones were our favourites when we went there.
fanatic.
Slightly obsessed. Holiday of a lifetime.
Yeah.
And we're going to go
I'm
again.
gonna go again. Twice. Holidays of a lifetime.
Get rid of some of the mucky bits. These are proper clean, but
Just a quick go over with the old dry sparkle.
it seems to be a bit of ritual every time we get to a site. To a bit of a go. Bit more elbow grease, yeah? Look at the shine on that now. Much better. Still needs a good soapy clean, but it is all that gunk that was on it before is much better. Quite a lot of icky green stuff at the back. We've cleaned that little corner there, but this is all grafted.
Let's see how good this stuff is then.
Let's see how it cleans it.
Ready? Right, a bit of dry sparkle. Put some on there. Some on here.
Some on the cloth here.
Yep, put some on the cloth.
Go
Ready?
on, yeah. Wow,
Look at that.
look at that. It's like magic. It's coming up much better. We're going to get a little brush so it can
Go in those little bits.
detail it. Is that what they call it? Professional cleaners?
I don't know. Well, not professional, but I'm just saying it gets off the bulk of it, doesn't it? So it
Yeah,
looks
we'll
a bit
need some
nicer.
It's clean in there. That's disgusting in there. What's shinier? Home, sweet home, away from home. Hello, I've come back with fish and chips. Have you gone blind with hunger? I'll get the fish and chips then, shall I? Oh, fish and chips. Is that fish and chips? Oh no, that's not fish and chips. I get fish and chips. There's... Oh, boiling in here.
I know, because it was crazy.
Fish and chips. Fish and chips.
Bread and butter.
And vegan things. So, I got fish and chips. Didn't I?
Sorry, yeah.
She has to be there. Fish and chips. Everybody's had fish and chips.
And I'm not sunburnt. Estes has put
Oh, there's a red light on down
a
there.
Halloween red light on.
We've got a red light on in the caravan. I hope we don't get anybody knocking at the door. It's board games. Little heroes cheating.
No, I'm not.
And I'm watching The Cure live. Good morning everyone, next day now. Usual, it's weird when we sleep in the caravan, at least for the first night when we go away. It always feels we get like the deeper sleep but also the worst sleep simultaneously. I don't know how that's possible, but I seem to sleep really well but not really well at simultaneously. I don't know if anybody else does that in caravans, but there you go. But today is, as I say, our first day proper here, and we're just going to chill out. Got some various bits and bobs to do, and I think we're going to see some fireworks and a bonfire later on, so that should be fun, so stick around for that. It's now time to go down and see the fireworks and the bonfire. Let's see what it's like.
Is it with it, like, she had like light as well?
I should have had an orange bucket. It's the easiest way to do it.
It goes out when you light it.
Enjoy the fireworks.
Yeah, it's
The
really
Bondi.
nice. It's nice and warm.
Right, that was quite good, wasn't it? Just
Yeah,
the,
really great.
just the guys that own the campsite and the farmer put some fireworks and a Bondi on. A Bondi, I've called it a Bondi for years.
From Bondi.
I think we're going to a barn now to have a drink.
A barn, no.
A barn, no.
No.
Hello. Hello, Rob. How are we doing? You all right? You, yes, yes.
Cheers, everyone. Cheers.
Cheers,
for the crisps.
everybody. Happy bonfire night.
And it's the next day, obviously. I'm just packing up to go now. In a nice couple of days away. Nice bonfire and some fireworks and just a nice break. It's always nice just to get away and relax. It's different sort of feeling just to sat around at home. You sat in the caravan, you just feel more relaxed. I have all these expectations of doing loads of stuff. What I'll end up doing is reading and falling asleep most of the time. But yes, we're just packing up to go, so let's see how it goes. So that's that, we're done. We're heading off now, we're all packed up. We just hitched up and we're ready to go. So thanks for watching, everyone.
Hi. And bye.
Make sure to like, subscribe, do all the good stuff. We'll see you guys next time. Bye.
Bye.